Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will be doing a very beautiful space painting but over the top of a red canvas. If you don't have the red canvas, you can paint the white into red canvas. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. So friends, let's get started. Okay guys, so I have taken a sponge. I have grabbed is cobalt blue and we will dab it and white color now. So I've grabbed some violet color. Now I have taken the ultra blue. So guys, now we have covered the whole canvas with the colors. Now we are going to be putting the last layer, which is scarlet, to some points so that it relates to the background as well. I'm taking the bigger brush and having the white paint over it, and I'll dab it, sprinkle over the whole painting. Now I have grabbed some Persian blue and over the brush, and we'll be sprinkling that. And and the other color is black. So guys, now it's the asthma time. We are peeling off the tabs. Now you can see that it's looking very beautiful. So we are going to be adding some planets to some areas. We will start with a violet color, and I have grabbed the small brush. And the next color that I have taken is orange. So we'll have the bigger planet. Grabbing some white. Bit of black. So next planet would be scarlet, and we'll have it here. Grabbing white and doodle in the circle way. Bit of the Persian blue. So guys, this is the final look of the painting. Hope so that you like it. Please try that at home and comment below in the comment section, and press the like button, and yep, hope to see you with another beautiful video. See ya guys, take care, bye bye.